So in this video we're going to talk about the Oneplus 13 mini, which is the smart and stylish mobile which is coming from Oneplus by the end of this month or by the start of the May. First of all, it comes with a 6.31 inches of cute powerful display, and that is a Full HD plus resolution 120Hz refresh rate fluid AMOLED display protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. When we talk about the processor, this mobile is going to comes with, according to the news till now, that this mobile might comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is the fastest chip right now, and it is going to be a LPDDR4X, LPDDR5 RAM type and UFS 4.0 storage capacity variant mobile, which comes with the storage and RAM types. This mobile will be available in like mostly three variants. Those are like 8GB RAM, 128, 8 to 56 and 12 to 56GB internal storage variants with no expandable memory, obviously. And when we talk about this mobile's cameras, we can see dual cameras in this. So this mobile comes with a primary 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with optical image stabilization and a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera, which can also be used as a telephoto zoom camera. For the front, it comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. With the back cameras, you can shoot up to 4K 60 fps and also the same for the front. When we talk about the battery, this mobile is a small 6.3 inch mobile, but it is coming with a huge, for this size mobile, I would say it's a huge battery. That is, this mobile will comes with a 5500 milliamp of battery with 80 watts of fast charge through wire and 50 watts of wireless charge and 10 watts of reverse wireless charging features. I know, come on, this is a great for the mobile of that size. So these are the features of this mobile. So when we talk about the other features, like this mobile runs on Android version 15 out of the box with the Oxygen OS 15 latest version, and this mobile will comes with the stereo speakers but no 3.5mm jack. And there is a also one thing, that this is a complete this is a polycarbonate back mobile and stainless steel bodied mobile. When we talk about the box contents, this mobile comes with a mobile and a charging cable and also a 80 watt fast charge adapter and also TP case and some quick start guides and semi-detected tools. So these are the things that you will get inside the box of this mobile with the mobile itself. So these are about the features of this mobile. When we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band, support Bluetooth 5.4 and NFC. This mobile comes with all the sensors like gyroscope, proximity sensor, accelerometer, everything, and compass. So these are the features of this mobile. This mobile, according to the news till now, that this mobile will be available in like 4 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below with the other videos of my channel, so you can go and watch anything you want from there. And so when we talk about the price, this is the major thing. This mobile might comes with a price tag of 49,990, almost 50,000 rupees, which will give a tough competition to the iQOO 13 if this mobile releases by any chance. So these are the features of this mobile. So hit the like button and the subscribe button.